You know how you can align any text to the left or to the right of the page, right? So for example, let me show you. I'm going to highlight my title here, the paragraph alignment title of my page, and I'm just going to align it to the left. So you see what I did? I just clicked up here to the align left. We've got a video on this. Now, what if I want to align it to the right for some reason? Great. I just click on the little button there. Notice I'm in the paragraph group under the Home tab. So let me put it back in the center where I want it. And let's say that I want an entire paragraph aligned. Well, can I do that? Yeah, actually I can. It's really simple. What I've done is I built this document that kind of gives you instructions on how to align stuff. But let's go down here to the center align. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what that's going to look like if I actually do it, if I align this entire paragraph in the center. So again, I come up to the same icon, the same group of options as I would if I had only selected just this text right here. But I'm selecting the entire paragraph. So watch this. I just click center. What it does then, Word takes each and every sentence and centers it. So each and every line is now centered on the page. So what I'm doing is I'm giving you a visual representation of what it's going to look like. Let me do it down here with the align text right. So look at this. Okay, it brings everything and aligns it to the right hand, flush to the right hand margin. Okay, so all this right here now kind of gives you an idea of what things are going to look like when I align my paragraph. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty easy too. Now, what's really neat is if I wanted something to really stand out in my document, I could even go further with my formatting. I could do italics. I could bold it, make sure everything's bolded. See how that makes it kind of stand out a little bit? So depending on what this paragraph is that you're wanting to show in your document, you could really make it stand out. But now watch this. Okay, here's when you might use it the most. Let's look at my little bullet points here. And notice they're aligned to the left. They're kind of indented just a little bit, which is how bullet points work. Let's say that I decide for some crazy reason I want these to stand way out, and I'm going to put them way over on the right-hand side, flush with the right-hand side of the margin. Now, this obviously doesn't look great because the bullet points aren't lined up, but you see my point. I'm trying to get everything flush to the right. What if I want it centered? Oops, you have to select everything. You see that mistake I made? If I go highlight everything and then go up here, select center, everything comes to the middle. Now it's aligned in the center. So everything that's selected is considered its own paragraph. Okay, so that's how you're going to align a paragraph or align a grouping of sentences or texts.